Hi, this is Kevin at Tutor with the Best, and you're watching 1 Minute Math.
An introduction to limits at infinity. What this means is we're going to take a look at limits as x approaches infinity, it could be positive or negative, of f of x. Essentially, from pre-calculus, you might remember this to just be the idea of end behavior. Here's a visual example. If we take a look at this purple function, let's call it f of x. As we travel to the left on this function, or as x approaches negative infinity of f of x, we can see that the graph gets closer and closer to a y value of -1. As we travel off to the right, or as x approaches positive infinity, we can see the y values are getting in closer and closer to 2. And these would be considered the horizontal asymptotes of f of x. This isn't always the case. Here's another example. In this function, let's call it g of x, as we travel to the right on our function, i.e. as the limit as x approaches infinity, our y values keep getting larger and larger, so we say the limit is positive infinity. And on the left side, as x approaches negative infinity, our y values are going down and down, so we say the limit is negative infinity.
If you'd like to see more videos like this, click subscribe, or check out the next video in the series by clicking below.